so so. Where's all my loud kids down here? Who can get really, 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 really loud? All right, we'll go right here. What's your name, man?
Oliver.
Oliver, how loud can you actually get?
Quite loud.
Give me a go.
Go!
Okay, we got the boy with some lungs over here. This guy's gonna be ready. And now it looks like you scream so loud, you shut the motor off in the monster truck. Okay, he's back. I guess it wasn't your fault. Okay, as soon as Joe Genius get the thumbs up, we got the thumbs up. 3, 2, 1, and scream go. Here we go. In.
2, 1, go!
He'll get himself back into position to have a look at those cars as he goes through. We've got another youngster looking to do our countdown over here. Here we go. What's your name?
Logan.
Brogan. Good. Okay, Brogan. We'll wait till Swampton gets into position and you shout 3, 2, 1, go. Can you do that? Right, we'll wait. We've got the thumbs up. Come on, Brogan.
3, 2, 1, go!
I don't know if you saw my father being punched. Well done. All right. What's your name, young man? David, you want your little buddy here to help you count down? Okay, so we'll both do. What's your name?
Noah.
All right. As soon as we see Georgina give us a thumbs up, you guys are going to count down. 3, 2, 1, and 3, go, okay? Okay, so we're watching Georgina. And that goes for everybody in the audience. The louder we get, the faster Tony will go. Okay, we got a thumbs up. In.
3, 2, 1,
Looking very good. Okay, he's going to get himself back in position. I think he'll want to come and make sure that that takeoff angle is exactly what he needs. If he pushes the cars together, I think he's going to try and clear them all. Right, what's your name, Sonic? It's Tiernan. Tiernan, I need you to shout 3, 2, 1, go. Can you do that for me? Okay, wait, we've got this. I'll wait until we get the thumbs up. We got the thumbs up, Georgina.
3, 2, 1, go!
It was a tie! It was a tie!
Come on.
Wow. As he comes around, give a big wave, you guys! I think it was mine! Make some noise for the Swampsters! Get to it!